Are you looking for new homes in Elk Grove, California? This is the video for you here today. We are touring a 3,000 square feet home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with the multi-gen suite with the private entrance on the ground floor. This specific home has steep discount by the builder at this point in time and also offering tons of additional incentives besides the discount on the home price. We're gonna tour every single bedroom, every single corner of the house here, and I can't wait for you to see the inside of this house, which comes in two different options. So this specific home is by Lennar Homes here in Elk Grove, California, in the Arbor Ranch community, located in 95757 zip code. This specific home, like I said, has different floor plan options. You can go with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a loft on the second floor, or you can choose to go with getting 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and of course with no loft, because the loft on the second floor is what constitutes to be a fifth bedroom, and that is one of the options available by the builder. This specific model home is in Arbor Ranch community by Lennar Homes. It is 3,025 square feet, and icing on top is that this home, regardless of you going with the 4 bedroom option or the 5 bedroom option, this specific floor plan has a private entrance to the multi-gen suite that's located on the ground floor, and we're going to show you that in the video here today as well. We have a lot to talk about. Stay with us throughout the video so you not only learn about Lennar Homes, Arbor Ranch community here in Elk Grove, California, and also learn about all the different incentives that are available by Lennar Homes in this amazing community of Elk Grove, California. Just on the outside of it, giving you an aerial view of this specific home. Spacious enough lot size, covered patio in the backyard, as you can see, surrounded by brand new beautiful homes with future parks slotted to come up and be developed by the city of Elk Grove in the near future. We're going to talk about all of that and also show you every single aspect of this specific model home. The model home that you're going to see here today is actually currently modeled as 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So you won't see the loft in this specific video here today. But as soon as we get close to that fifth bedroom, I'll kind of, through my audio, explain to you where that loft would be instead of the fifth bedroom. On the outside of it, it might look a little odd to you that there's no garage, and that is because where you see that Lennar patio umbrella type of thing with the double doors at the bottom, that is where the garage would be, a standard 2-car garage. But Lennar is currently using that garage space as their sales office. That's why you don't see a traditional garage. But right next to the entrance into the house, that door and that window that you see and the Lennar logo, that's where the 2-car garage would be located. On the outside of it, the floor plan looks pretty spacious. You have a lengthy driveway as well. This specific model home, like I said, you can go with either 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a loft, or you can go with 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms without a loft. But regardless of the option you pick, you will have the multi-gen suite on the ground floor with private entrance. Let's talk a little bit more about the builder Lennar. And before we get into that, let's actually get you inside the house first. And as soon as you get into the house, on the left-hand side is your entrance to the downstairs multi-gen suite with a bathroom and a bedroom, which is basically a master. And you also have additional family room space with the private entrance. We're going to show you that a little bit later in the video here today, but let's walk you through this wide hallway into the open floor concept, which constitutes of course, the spacious family room that you're looking at the moment. You're gonna have the kitchen on the other side of this specific ground floor with dining space right in the middle. So very spacious downstairs family room and kitchen area with the open floor plan. This is one of the highly desired features of clients that are looking into brand new homes, that they want this space to be very open, floor plan oriented, because that's where you typically spend a lot of your time as a family. You have ton of natural light flowing into this open floor plan as well through a lot of the windows that are located on the ground floor. And even from this corner, while I'm shooting the video, you can see that the space is pretty wide and open. We're gonna get into the corner here as well to kind of show you a wide angle of all the open floor plan that there is for this specific model home. You have the kitchen right in front of you, and again, tons of windows and doors to let that natural sunlight flow into the house. Before we get into talking a little bit about Lennar, let's actually take the time and let me introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Singh. I'm a local realtor here in Elk Grove, California, and I have helped a lot of clients purchase their dream homes in this beautiful city. I've been living in this city for the past 8 years with my family after we made the move to Elk Grove from San Jose back in 2018. And we help clients move across the street into a brand new home, or clients who have moved across from the Bay Area, LA, or even across the country. So whether you're moving down the street to a new home or you're moving across the country into Elk Grove, our team can help you make the move. And the great thing about our team is that I do not let my buyer clients pay for my fees. I get paid by the builder, and we negotiate that upfront with the builder when I'm representing my buyer clients. So none of my buyer clients have ever paid me any fees or commission. I do not operate that way. We get paid by the builder. And I'm proud to say, like I mentioned, that none of my buyer clients have ever paid me any commission whatsoever. Coming into the video a little bit, getting into the kitchen, what you see here from options and features perspective isn't necessarily always correlation to what you might end up with the purchase of your new home. And the reason being is that Lennar Homes and their design studio does a great job at picking floor plans, picking flooring, picking cabinetry, and picking appliances that are part of a bundle, and that it looks great as a bundle to a new construction client. So even though you might not get the same exact thing in the floor plan that you choose, and they have a couple of homes that are available right now for sale, and one of those homes is listed at $843,000, whereas it was before listed at $865,000. So there is that $22,000 discount on the purchase price. And in that home also, you have everything that's included. You have updated flooring that's included. You have updated cabinetry. And on top of it, you also get all of your kitchen appliances included in the purchase price by Lennar Homes. And again, like I mentioned, you don't really have much choice in picking the flooring, picking the color and whatnot. Lennar Design Studio have already done that for you. And again, they have been in this business for decades and decades. So everything that they pre-choose for the home are usually highly liked and preferred by the clients anyways. I am yet to have a client who I have represented with Lennar Homes or even across other builders that they didn't like what came standard with the home, because again, these design studios put in a lot of effort in choosing concepts. So on the left hand side, you just saw the entrance into the bedroom, and that bedroom has an attached full bathroom, which is the multi-gen suite. Unfortunately, the sales office was using that space, that bedroom, as their sales office on that day as well, because they had some additional sales reps in the area that needed sort of an office to work with. So unfortunately, I'm not able to show you that bedroom and that bathroom that's located downstairs as part of the multi-gen suite. But I actually have another video on my channel that I'll link towards the end of this video, and also I'll put the link in the description of this video also, where you'll see that I have a specific video that shows 4 best multi-gen suites here in Elk Grove across different builders. And if you are specifically wanting to look at this floor plan and the downstairs bedroom and bathroom, that would be the home number 3 in that video. And in that video, sales office in this bedroom was open that day, so I was able to shoot that content for you. So please refer to that video if you want to see that. But that kind of wraps up our floor plan on the ground floor. You saw the family room of the multi-gen suite was pretty spacious. There was also a private entrance on the side of the house into that multi-gen suite. Going upstairs, you're going to be immediately welcomed by a mini hallway that is going to take you on the right into the primary suite and also onto the other bedrooms. Straight ahead where you see that wall art, that wall would not exist, and the room behind it would be the loft in a 4-bedroom option. But then again, let's walk through the master bedroom and the bathroom first before we kind of talk a little bit more about that 5th bedroom and that loft option. Let's talk a little bit about engaging a realtor when you're purchasing a brand new home. Usually clients think that they don't really need a local realtor when they're buying a brand new home, but I would like for you to consider working with an experienced realtor such as myself. And like I've already discussed, you will not be paying for my fees for my consultation. We get paid by the builder. But in addition to that, we can help you lower your purchase price even further because we have comparable comps across other builders that we also leverage when we negotiate with different builders here in Elk Grove. We also bring a ton of experience regarding negotiating additional closing costs that the builder provides. So there's a lot of benefits to having a local realtor represent you. And the last thing I would mention in regard to that is that we also work with local experts who are inspectors, and those home inspectors will do a thorough inspection of your brand new home. And as a courtesy and as a service of me to my new clients, I give that complimentary if you do decide to work with me. Here is a little preview of the master bathroom, double sink. You have the standing shower, and you have, of course, the spacious walk-in closet. Let's talk a little bit about Lennar Homes. I've been wanting to talk about them for a while. Lennar Homes is one of the oldest builders across the country. They are a very large organization, so they take pride in having people reach for their American dream because they are a big builder across the country, and it kind of shows in their floor plans. Their prices are somewhat reasonable when it comes to the square footage that you get in a house. For example, this house is 3,025 square feet, and the price of this specific model home is $843,000, and usually you don't get that much square footage in the price of $843,000. So Lennar does a great job with their design studio as well. And like I said, everything will come pre-selected for you. But then again, I assure you, whatever Lennar Design Studio has picked up in terms of the color scheme, the flooring, the carpet, and the cabinetry, that you are gonna fall in love with that because they have decades of experience designing based on customer feedback and customer needs. Let's talk a little bit about builder incentives. In addition to steep price discounts, for example, $22,000 off of this price, they're also offering upwards of $10,000 in closing cost credit. So to lower the cost of purchase for new clients. And again, we have negotiated that to be a bit higher across many builders. So please do consider leveraging us in this situation as well. And again, let's talk a little bit about this wall right here that you see. That wall would not exist if you go with the 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath option. And we're going to show you the other bedrooms and bathroom, but let me turn around the corner here and show you the actual bedroom that would not exist, and that it would be a loft if you go with the 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath option. So as you see, the wall that this mirror is hanging on the right would not exist, and as soon as you come upstairs, you would not see that sheetrock wall, and you'll just walk straight into the loft. So that would be the change if you do decide to go with the different floor plan. But all the bedrooms that we're going to see upstairs, including this one, is quite spacious. Even if you put the furniture in there, there's plenty of room still to walk around. And in addition to this bedroom that you're seeing, you are also going to see 2 additional bedrooms and the hallway full bathroom that's located upstairs as well. Let's talk a little bit about 95757 zip code, where this community is located here in Elk Grove, California by Lennar Homes. 95757 Arbor Ranch is a home to 1,000 plus new homes that are getting built by many different builders. We have Beazer Homes in the area. We have Lennar Homes, which is what you're touring now. There's Taylor Morrison. They're actually almost wrapped up. There's Risewell Homes, and they're also making hundreds of homes across 4 different sort of sub-communities in 95757. So this whole infrastructure and this area is brand new. Roads are new. Utility infrastructure is new. Commercial development is new. Roads are new. And parks and schools that are going to support these specific neighborhoods are also going to be brand new as well. So this area is probably best situated when the next boom comes in the Elk Grove economy and the housing market, because again, everything is brand new and all the infrastructure that comes along with it also is completely brand new. Let's talk a little bit more about the services that we offer. And again, it is never too early to engage a local expert on purchasing your brand new home in the near future. Whether you are 2 days away from purchasing a new home, 2 months, 2 years, it's never too early to start that conversation. I myself moved here with my family about 8 years ago. So if you're relocating to Elk Grove as well, I can provide you tremendous help because I have that experience and I have recently went through it, and I help clients almost on a daily basis who are making similar moves as well. Ironically, just got into contract just this past weekend for a very dear client who is considering moving from San Francisco into Elk Grove. And we secured a great discount on the purchase of their new home. We're going to be getting them a great 30-year locked rate as well, which is going to be below than the ongoing market rate. So I really pride myself on being able to provide that assistance. And on top of that, like I mentioned, that client will not be paying a single dollar towards my fees. We negotiated that with the builder as well. We're going to be almost wrapping up the tour here today. Again, you saw a 4-bedroom, I apologize. You saw a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home here today. And again, this could also be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a loft upstairs. It has a multi-gen suite that you saw downstairs. Again, I apologize, we were not able to get you into that bedroom and also the attached bathroom to show you what it looks like, but please do consider watching my other video. And then in that video, floor plan number 3 is what you will see, which constitutes that multi-gen suite and a detailed walkthrough of what that looks like. So please do check out that video after you're wrapped up here. I actually have another video that I would like for you to watch, and I'll also link it in the towards the end of this video and also in the description of the video, which is the 4 things that you need to be highly considerate of when you're purchasing your brand new home here in Elk Grove. That video kind of walks you through the financial aspects of purchasing a brand new home, inspections side of the house, and also basically the areas that you must be paying attention to when purchasing your brand new home here in Elk Grove. We're going to wrap up the video here today. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this. If you're still with me, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. That really helps us a lot. My number is in the description of the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon.